Okay guys, welcome to tutorial number 3 for our summer course of Information and Communication Technologies for Social Science and Humanities. Today I'm going to teach you how to use OneNote. Okay, what is OneNote? OneNote it's a notebook that you have already pre-installed in your computer. In case you cannot find it in your computer, I mean here, you can access it online. The only thing that you will need for both your computer or the online versions of this is your UCRO email account. That will be very useful because eventually it will help you with the share tool. Okay, so I'm gonna show you how it works. If you want access to it, the only thing you need to do is to search, okay, OneNote, and if you have the app, it must appear here. Okay. As I have already opened it, I'm gonna show you how it opens. Probably they are gonna ask you to check your email. Try to use your UCRO email account. It will be better. In case you don't have it, well, do it with whatever you want. So this is OneNote. I want you to think that this is a notebook, okay, and it will work as a notebook. So I'm gonna teach you. Okay, so first, when you add a section, it's as if you were dividing the notebook for different subjects. So I'm gonna add a new one, and I'm gonna do this exercise with information of the digital competence handbook that I provided. Okay, so this is going to be this comp, okay, 2.1. So all the information that I'm gonna do here, or I'm gonna add here, is gonna be regarding this book. Okay, so I'm gonna summarize it. I don't like the purple color that I have here, so I'm gonna change it. Okay, and I'm gonna choose one that I like. I like this green one. Okay, so now I have my notebook. What I'm gonna do now is to divide this section or this notebook into these subsections that I want to talk about. So I'm gonna use the 5 different competence areas to work here. Okay, so I'm gonna change the name. Okay, so the first one is gonna be information and data literacy. Okay, so then I'm gonna add a new page, and this new page is going to be communication and collaboration. Okay, I'm gonna add a new one, and it's going to be digital content creation. There we go. We add a new one that is going to be safety. Okay, and then I'm gonna add a new one, and it's going to be problem solving. Okay, so if you are thinking, okay, teacher, but these titles are boring, here you have your toolkit to modify your titles. Okay, I don't like this one. Maybe I can choose another one. Maybe this one. Or if I want to change the font, I can look for one that I like. Okay, oh no, I like this one. Okay, sorry, I didn't mark it. Okay, so there it goes. Okay, I can make it bigger if I want. Okay, sorry, bigger. I want it even bigger. Okay, so yeah, there it goes. Okay, maybe I don't like the color of this one, so I can change it to all these different colors that I can have, or I can search for more colors. I'm gonna use a purple one. Okay, and there it goes, right? So that's how I can add lettering here. If I want to type something here, well, it is easy. I'm gonna work with communication and collaboration. Okay, so I want to type something, so I just click it, and then I can start writing. Okay, so this area refers to skills on communicating with others, okay, online. Okay, everything here is being marked in red because the language that I have for this one is Spanish, right? So it's thinking that it's a mistake, but once that I have it here, that's it. Another way that you can use is to dictate. So let's check if it works. Hola, en esta sección hablaremos acerca de las habilidades de comunicación en línea. Punto. A continuación, coma, definiremos qué es la comunicación en línea. So if you want to stop dictate, then you just click there and that's it. And then you can move these things wherever you want, okay? And again, you can change the color, you can change the font, okay? So we can do here this, okay? Oh, I don't like that, okay? Let's put it on Arial, okay? We can change the size over there. And here, I'm just adding information. Another thing that I really like about this is that you can draw lines, okay? So I'm gonna choose this color, okay? And I'm gonna add here my rows. I can circle things, okay? I can make comments about it, okay? That's the good thing about it, okay? Here, I can change a pencil, or I can choose how big I want it, okay? And if I don't like what I did, I just go with my bottom on the back, and that's it, right? So you can draw lines, and this is really good when you are connecting and you're creating maps, okay? That's good. I can use this, okay? I can mark whatever I want. That's what I like about this, okay? But this is the interesting part. We go to insert, right? And here I can insert a chart, a file, a copy, pictures, an online video, or a link, or whatever I want. So I need to stop this. Okay, so let's that's it. That's it. Okay. So okay, so I'm stuck with this one. Let me okay, so I have my eraser here. That's it. That's my eraser. I wanna eliminate this thing. Okay, that's my eraser. Okay, so there it goes, eraser. There's my eraser. Okay, so here what I want to do now, okay, is that I can add an audio. En esta sección voy a hablar al respecto de cómo colaborar con varios de mis compañeros en línea. And then I stop. Okay, so there it goes. Now, okay, so I'm battling with this. Okay, so yeah. So here I have my audio now. Okay, I will continue with this, I'm sorry. Okay, I don't know why it's stuck. Okay, so I have it here. Now what I want to do is that I want to add other things, right? So let's imagine that I want to add a file. Okay, and I want to add this full document. Okay, there it goes. I have it here. Okay, so I have my file here and everything that I need. Okay, now I want to add a video. Okay, text. Okay, so this is a video about the most important apps to collaborate online. Okay, so I go to my website and I already have searched for this. I'm gonna copy this thing. Okay, so this is a website about useful collaboration apps and stuff. Okay, so I have here my options so you can see it, but I want it here. So there it goes, and then I click on insert, and now whenever I click, okay, it's gonna send me to that link, right? So I have it there. Maybe one of those tools was Monday, which is a really good tool. I want to add that video there, so I can come over here, okay, and I can add it, and there I have it. Okay, the good thing about it is that I can watch it here. I just click it. It's gonna take a while, but it's gonna play here, right? Okay, it's taking a while. I'm sorry, my internet. Okay, so yeah. Okay, so there I have it. I have my video. Here I have another video about the links. I have my sections and everything. Okay, that's the good thing. So now what else can I do? I can add charts. I can do whatever I want. Maybe I want a picture. Okay, so about the digital competence. Okay, so I like this one. I'm just gonna copy picture and then I'm gonna paste it here. Okay, so I can make it bigger if I want. Okay, so then I have this page. Okay, this is full of information about communication and collaboration. Okay, then I have I can create a digital copy. I just copy here and then I'm gonna save it here and I'm gonna write here test one. Wait, sorry. Oh, wait. So I'm gonna go for here. Let's see. Sorry, sorry, I got confused. Okay, it's adding a printed copy about a document that I posted. Okay, so here I have it. Okay, if I wanted to eliminate it, I just click and eliminate. Okay, so that's a good thing. It's like a notebook to copy and paste whatever you want. Okay, so now this is what I wanted to show you. And then, well, you're drawing. And here's what I like. If you want to check some things or you don't want to read by yourself, you can click here. And you can play. Hola, en esta sección hablaremos acerca de las habilidades de comunicación. A continuación, definiremos qué es la comunicación en línea. Digital Competence Framework for Citizens. Grabación de audio iniciada. 11:59. This is a video about the most important apps del área de recorrido básico de manda.com. Okay, so let's get out of there. Okay, so maybe right now it looks really disorganized and everything, but that's a good thing that you can move all the pieces and you can create. Maybe I don't like this thing here. I'm gonna eliminate it. Okay, I'm gonna post this here. I'm gonna make it bigger here. Then I'm gonna put this picture here. I'm gonna move these things over here. I'm gonna make this bigger. Okay, let's make it bigger. Okay, and then I'm going here on drawing. I'm gonna create here an arrow because I am going to talk about this one. Okay, and then what I'm gonna do, okay, I'm gonna mark this. So I'm gonna add, okay, so I'm gonna go here and I'm gonna move these things over here and I can move everything whatever I want. Okay, so I'm just showing you a little bit about how to move things and everything. Okay, so here I want this audio out of here, so I'm gonna put it here. I'm gonna play it. Let's move. Okay, so yes, and right now everything that I want about this area is in here, right? So everything is in order, okay, and all the information about this is organized in one section. If I go to information and data literacy, there isn't anything. If I go to digital content creation, there isn't anything, and there isn't anything here except for the modification for the title, right? So right now I am here, but the good thing here is that I want to share, okay, this thing with a friend, okay, and I'm just gonna click here and I can say that all the users or the persons who have access, whatever, okay. So right now here, okay, and then I go to apply, okay, I copy this thing, I copy this thing, and I can send it to any friend. Okay, I'm gonna open a document just for you to know. Okay, so my Word is opening and it's taking a little bit. I'm sorry for the delay. Okay, so it's taking longer. I'm sorry. Okay, but I'm gonna close it and I'm gonna show you here this one. Okay, I'm gonna click, and if you get this link you will be able to see everything that I did. Okay, so that's it. That's how it works. Okay, I promise you that by the time you're looking for this and next week I will have a better looking part, but these are the most important tools. Okay, so and you might be wondering, teacher, how do I save my things? Well, don't worry about it, because once you close it, okay, and then you want to open it again, okay, and you check on OneNote, okay, it's gonna open, and all your notes and everything that you are doing is gonna be there safely. Okay, okay, as you can see, everything is in here, everything is in order, and if I go to communication and collaboration. Okay, everything is in here. Okay, so that's it. That's how it works. Okay, I hope you can find it useful.